Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to solve this problem to find x value. Solution: x power 2 minus x power 3 equal to 150. Now x power 2 minus x power 3. Now we are moving this 150 left hand side. So 150 equal to 0. Now x power 2 minus x power 3, this 150 can be written as 125 plus 25 equal to 0. Now x power 2 minus x power 3, now multiplying this minus here, so minus 125 minus 25 equal to 0. Now x power 2 minus x power 3 minus 5 power 3 minus this 25 can be written as 5 power 2 equal to 0. Now x power 2, this moving here, so minus 5 power 2, here we are going to take minus common, so x power 3 plus 5 power 3 equal to 0. Now we are going to apply this algebra formula, that is a square minus b square equal to a plus b, a minus b. This algebra formula. Also a power 3 plus b power 3, a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. This formula we are going to apply here. So we'll get x plus 5, x minus 5 minus x plus 5, here x square minus 5x plus 5 square equal to 0. Now we are going to take x plus 5 common, so x plus 5 open bracket, we have remaining x minus 5, here this minus this one, x square minus 5x plus 5 square is 25 equal to 0. Now x plus 5, here x minus 5, this we are going to multiply here this minus, so minus x square plus 5x minus 25 equal to 0. Here x plus 5, x square minus x square, this is plus 6x, here we have minus 30 equal to 0. Now x plus 5 6x minus 30 equal to 0. Now we have two equations, one is x plus 5 equal to 0, other one is minus x square plus 6x minus 30 equal to 0. From this equation x equal to minus 5. This is the one answer. From here we are going to multiply by minus here, so we'll get x square minus 6x plus 30 equal to 0. From here we are going to apply quadratic equation. Here a is 1, b equal to minus 6, c equal to 30. Here x equal to minus b plus or minus. Here b square minus 4ac by 2a. Minus 6 plus or minus 6 square minus 4 times of 1 times of 30 in square root by 2 times of 1. Now minus into minus is plus 6 plus or minus, this minus 6 square is 36 minus 4 times 1 is 4, again 4 times 30 is 120 in square root by 2. Now six plus or minus, here 36 minus 120 is minus 84 in square root by 2. Now x equal to 6 plus or minus, this 84 can be written as square root of 4 times of 21 times of minus 1 by 2. Now 6 plus or minus, this can be written as square root of 4 times square root of 21 times square root of minus 1 by 2. Now 6 plus or minus 2 square root of 21 times I by 2. Six plus or minus 2 square root of 21 I, here by 2, here 2. Now simplify this, we'll get 3 here, here this cancel each other. Now we have x equal to 3 plus or minus square root of 21 I. Now we have x equal to minus 5, this is the one, and here is x equal to 3 plus square root of 21 I, and x equal to 3 minus square root of 21 I. These are the possible answers for given problem. Thanks for watching this video.